So what I'm gonna do here today, I'm taking that chair of my grandmother's. I'm gonna try to put some screws into it here to make it a little bit stronger. Have a whole variety of screws. I bought a couple of these containers from Walmart, and they interlock. So I guess this is like the very poor man's Milwaukee pack out is what we'll call this. And as far as I know, these are the only types that interlock. So there's no different types of containers. I get a lot of stuff from Walmart because it's not heavy use, so it can hold up pretty well. I mean, this is a Walmart plastic toolbox, and Movito bags, quality's way off the charts compared to this stuff. But what I'm gonna do is I drilled a hole here. I'm gonna use one of these bits here like I did the other day as a countersink. Have my Roby drill, have the Bauer. I like to have two drills because I can put one with the actual bit in it, the other one with secondary item, like perhaps this, and then the impact driver I can use to drive the screw in. Hey, what? Okay. Step bit, drilled the hole here, kind of widened it out on the edges there so the screw head will fit down into it. Let's see how that looks right there. Depending on what screw head I actually use. It looks like it'll probably do it because I'm gonna fill it with putty. Maybe I should use these because they're a similar color. We'll see. I'll probably use the black ones. Let me put them in there and we'll see how it turns out. Right, what I did was I drilled those holes down in there. I actually used two different screws because I wanted one a little bit shorter for that second one because I have one going down through here and then one coming in like this. So the other one I want a little shorter. So there's enough room there I can put some wood filler over the top of it because I'm going to paint it a solid color. It's not going to be stained, so I don't think it's going to mess up with the stain. But I mean, obviously I'm not a professional, but this is what I have figured out for this, and I'm going to level it out when I sand it, so you can't really feel just a little bit right there, but we're going to sand it out, so hopefully you won't even see it there, and then the paint will do its thing as well. So you can see, you can turn it around, it comes off pretty good. So a little bit of sanding and we're going to smooth that out, put it back together, put a new seat on it and stuff, and just one step every now and then, like all my projects, slowly but surely. See, when you're out here in the country, I just put some wood putty in the holes there. This is what the sort of stuff you see out here in the country, guys. Turkeys, chickens, these aren't even mine. These are from the next door neighbor. Thanksgiving's over, you're safe.